Battlefield 6 Open Beta crashing on PC. Step 1. Verify system requirements. Make sure your PC meets the minimum specs. OS, Windows 10 11, 64-bit. CPU, Intel i5-6600K AMD Ryzen 5 1600 RAM 16GB GPU, NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti AMD RX 580 latest driver, DirectX, version 12, storage 100GB SSD recommended. Header Step 2, update GPU drivers, fix 5576298 NVIDIA error. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. Please open your app to see this link. Install driver version 576.88, required by game. For AMD, use AMD Adrenalin software. Please open your app to see this link. Hunter, Step 3, repair Battlefield 6 game files. Open EA app or Steam. Go to Battlefield 6, click Manage, Repair Game, wait for Scan and Fix. Step 4, disable incompatible overlays. Turn off overlays that can cause crashes. Discord. Settings, overlay, disable. GeForce Experience, disable in-game overlay. Xbox Game Bar. Windows settings, gaming, Xbox Game Bar, off. Step 5, run as administrator plus compatibility mode. 1, go to Game folder, C/Program Files EA Games Battlefield 6. 2, right-click bf6.exe, Properties. 3, under Compatibility, check Run this program as administrator. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Try running in Windows 8 compatibility mode. Step 6, delete EA anti-cheat cache. 1, press Win-R, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2, delete all files in that folder. 3, restart PC. 4, launch EA app, Battlefield 6. Step 7, disable overclocking. If applied, reset your GPU or CPU to default clocks. Use BIOS or software like MSI Afterburner. Battlefield 6 is sensitive to overclocking. Step 8, force DirectX 12 or safe mode. Launch Force DX 12. 1, in EA app, go to Game Properties. 2, under Advanced Launch Options, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. Or safe mode, lower GPU pressure. You can see the code in our conversation history. Step 9, reinstall EA anti-cheat. 1, navigate to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2, run EA anti-cheat installer.exe. 3, click uninstall, then click install. Step 10, clean boot Windows. 1, press Win-R, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. Go to Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services. 3, click Disable All. 4, reboot PC. 5, run optional, clear temporary files. Press Win-R and type, you can see the code in our conversation history. Select all and delete. Final step, launch Battlefield 6 Open Beta. Still crashing? Try running the game on windowed borderless mode. Set FPS limit to 60 to reduce pressure on CPU, GPU. Lower graphics settings, especially ray tracing off, ambient occlusion off, mesh quality medium or low. SEO boosted video title ideas.